How to use GrabPay Wallet for cashless payment. Looking for a smooth cashless way to pay? Let's get started with GrabPay Wallet. It's secure, fast, and super handy. First, open the Grab app on your device and go to your profile and tap the payment tab. You'll see your GrabPay wallet right there. If you haven't activated it yet, tap activate and follow the prompts to verify your identity and link a payment source. To top up, just tap top up, enter the amount and choose your method, bank, card or wallet. Once it's loaded, you can use GrabPay for rides, food, and even pay at supported store by scanning their QR code. If your top-up fails, try switching networks or updating your app to the latest version. Have you tried GrabPay before? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.